Yes, we're at Rutland Water, but not for long. Having a small breakfast at the waterside cafe. What do you reckon? It's alright for you? It does, doesn't it? We are sailing, we are sailing, la da da. It's lovely though, isn't it? I'm sorry. Come out the wind. What do you think of it so far?
Rubbish. No, it's great.
Yes, we are at Rutland Water. Level 3 flow there. Rather early. What do you think, yeah? What?
Lovely.
Lovely. Yeah, we just had a breakfast in the waterside cafe.
Yeah.
It was freezing in the cafe. I think the heating wasn't working. And then the water went off. No water in the toilets, but the breakfast was oh, it was great, wasn't it? Yeah, full Monty. This is a Rutland Belle out of the water. Look at that. So now go and have a look at this fence. Just waiting there. What's that? Now that's a boat having its bottom blacked, just like an aeroboat. Give it a good scrape. Ah, it's got bow thrusters on the front as a whole. You can see them. Yeah, it's looking a bit more threatening now. Yeah. Not too bad though. Yeah, wander around this corner and then maybe back. It's a bit more threatening. looking at this tree. The blossom's coming out. We're not even into March yet. Do you know what sort of tree it is? Looking at the trunk on it. Whatever tree it is, it's certainly coming out, isn't it? Not all of it yet. The odd one. A few days. And it'll be all out. That one as well, and that one, they're all coming out. Yeah, sunny corner.